Hello and welcome back to our channel Latest Job. If you're first time on this channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like our videos. So in today's videos, we're discussing about a job update from Byju's. So we will cover each and everything regarding the job responsibility, regarding the job location, regarding the salary of the job. So please watch this video up to the end. So let's get started. So basically the name of the profile is BDA. Most of the people know about it. That is a business development associate. So first of all, we are going to start with the responsibility part, and this is one of the best job in terms of the salary part. So if you are interested for this job, so please watch this video up till end. So if I go through with the responsibility part, so it's mentioned over here. Let me check on the screen. So it's mentioned over here, the selected candidate will be in an individual contributor role, working in a team of go-getter to help spread the Byju's way of learning in your city. So it is something they are asking for the teamwork. As a team member, you will be hired as a team member, asking to help in the growth of the company, and they will be showing in the unique Byju's way of learning to students and parents, and will be responsible for monitoring and sales in their designation zone. So basically, to be very honest, this job is going to be for a sales job. It's mentioned over here, you need to promote their products, promote their courses. So directly, indirectly, this job is for a salesperson. If you belongs to sales department or you want to work with a sales department, then this job is good for you. And the best part of the job is salary part, which I will tell you later on this video. But this salary is something which attract you to join this job, to be very honest. Now if I talk about what qualification required, what set of skill required in this job, so if we talk about education part, so let me tell you, this job is for everyone who have done the graduation. If you have completed your graduation, that this is a minimum slab that you must have your degree with you, that is a graduation. Or it's mentioned over here post graduation. If you did post graduation, that's good, more than good enough. One more point which add over here, that is having a keen interest and deep understanding of Indian education sector. So these are the skills which are in front of your screen. You can have a look for this. Now talking about the main point that I'm from the starting of the video, I'm telling you about the salary. So the salary is a main part of this job, so which is attracting you. So if I talk about salary part, all the selected candidates will be a part of the 2-month training process. So there will be a 2-month training which will be provided to you, and under the training, will they provide you the salary or not? So the answer is yes, but this is not a salary, this is some time of stipend to you, that is a 25,000. Let's go further. It's mentioned over here, upon successful completion of training. So if you have completed your training successfully, then you will consider to be an associate, that is a business development associate. Then what will be the salary for you? That is a very interesting salary, and there's mentioned over here 7 plus 3 lakh. If we calculate, that will be a 10 lakh, and if we divide it to a monthly salary divided by 12, then it will be a 83,000 something. So you can consider 83,000 rupees per month. This point is something which attracting everyone, that this is a very good opportunity. If anyone wants to do a sales job, this is a best job for you in terms of salary. So in every sales job there is a target and there's a lot of pressure. So if you are from sales department, then only I suggest you please apply for this job role. I think I have covered each and everything regarding the salary part, regarding the job responsibility, that this is a sales job, and regarding the location. If you talk about location, so is nothing about the location. Wherever you want to apply, you can easily apply. Nothing is mentioned over here about the location. It's only mentioned over your city. Your city means they can relocate to you anywhere. So now the question arrived at how we can apply for this job role. We have clear each and everything regarding the responsibility part, regarding the experience part. Nothing is mentioned about the experience. You can easily apply for this job role if you are fresher. So to apply for this, you need to open the description of this video, and there will be a link. So this link will redirect you to the official site of Byju's, that this page will be appear in front of you. So just you need to click on the apply button, and you need to submit this survey form, this registration form, that your name, mobile number, and your official city, highest degree, whatever will be required as in personal detail, you have to submit over here. And then you have to click on apply now. Then these people from the HR department will contact you if your profile is shortlisted. So this is how you can apply for this job role, and if you are eligible and you are interested for this job role, I must say you have to apply for this job role. I believe I have covered each and everything regarding this job. If anything is left behind it, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can text me on Instagram. I will shortly reply to you. So that's all for this video. If you really like this video, please go thumbs up on the video. So that's all. Thank you.